Okay, so this is the first of the videos about log modeling for merit, and at this point you'd have done your experiment and imagine this is the data you've generated. I've just generated some data. I don't know which model it's going to fit. I don't know whether it's going to be better to be a straight line or not, because let's be honest, those are all things that you could face in your experiment. The fact is, though, you should know the nature of the experiment for excellence, so therefore you should be able to know which model you're expecting it to come out with. And if it doesn't come out with that one, well, that's okay, because, that's how it goes. However, you've got to be able to talk about the fact that you're expecting it to do this and it didn't. Okay, so there you go, there's my calculator and it's all ready to be cleared. I'm going to go into the stats model, just because I want to, sorry, wrong one. Menu stats, because I just want to get my data in there. So I'm going to put the numbers in, and then I'm moving across and I'm going to put my population data in. I pretended this is population of bacteria and how they're dividing over time. So in a way, I'm kind of expecting an exponential model. So let's just graph that for a second, because you'll have done that before you got to this point, and there's my graph. Okay, and there's a vague linear train there, but there's also a definite curve to it, so could be that it's not a linear trend. Right, so I'm going to come out of that, and I'm going to work out the bits that I need in here, and in here I know that I need to fill in these two columns with ln time and ln population. Okay, now you're going to use the ln button pretty much all the way through this standard, even though it says log. Okay, we're going to use ln, so I'm going to do ln of 10, ln of 20, ln of 30, ln of 40, ln of 50, and ln of 60. So that's my log x, and in my last one it's going to be ln of 400, ln of 530, ln of 890, ln of 1155, ln of 1500, and ln of 2000. Now the whole point of me doing this is so that I get some data that I can plot into a graph. So that's 2.3, 3.0, 3.4. Notice how I'm rounding these, because I'm not going to be able to plot to more than one decimal place. 3.7, 3.9 and 4.1. Okay, the reality is you cannot plot better than that, so you might as well not try. Okay, 7.6, 7.3, 7.1, 6 point something or other, 6.8. Let's go back up to the top of that one. So that was 6.0 and 6.3. That should be a 0. So there you go, I've got my ln. Now I can draw those graphs on the calculator, but you're going to have to physically draw them on paper, so that's my next task of working out how to do that on the computer. See you soon.